What limits are you pushing? What limits are you pushing? Not just in gym, but in your life. I just finished a really tough workout, chest and biceps, where I was really tested just with the progress I was aiming for, but I got there. But they're testing me. Every sinew was screaming. My mind was screaming, but my mind was strong. And I kept going and I progressed and did what I aimed to do, even more in some things. But this is the thing, are you getting outside your comfort zone? Are you pushing your limits? Because we are unlimited in our potential in everything we do in life. Truly unlimited. You are unlimited in everything you can have in your life experience. I am unlimited, everything I can have in my experience, but you have to get outside your comfort zone. You've stopped the excuses. You've stopped playing the blame game. You have to stop hiding behind poor justification for your actions. You have to stop hiding behind what everyone else is doing. Screw everybody else. Always follow what the minorities do, not the masses. Usually the minorities are doing the right things, not the masses. Look around the masses, not exactly healthy. So push your comfort zone, get out of it, and let's keep progressing.